Zelado.com. 5 protein shakes that you should include in your diet. Protein shakes have become a favorite supplement for those who seek to gain muscle mass and lose weight. Learn some great protein shake recipes here. Protein shakes have become a favorite supplement for those looking to gain muscle mass and lose weight. Of course, a complete and healthy diet is also required to achieve these objectives. Still, these drinks are excellent allies for nutrition. It's true that the health food industry has developed several formulas that allow them to be prepared almost instantaneously, with or without added ingredients. However, there are also natural recipes that concentrate high-quality proteins that some foods naturally provide. So, do you still leave them out of your meal plan? Despite their popularity, many people still do not know what they can do. That's why in this article, we want to review their main benefits and give you 5 ways to make them at home. The health benefits of protein shakes. Including protein shakes in your diet is an effective method to help meet your daily protein requirements. As you may know, a sedentary person requires at least 0.8 grams of protein for every kilogram, 2 pounds, of weight and up to 2 grams when doing some kind of athletic activity. This essential macronutrient makes up part of the main structures of the body. Also, it intervenes in important processes like metabolism and hormone segregation. As a result, assimilating it in the right way helps you take care of your health and lose weight. So, why is it good to drink protein shakes? They act as supplements that support the development and maintenance of muscles, especially when you keep up a regular physical training regimen. They contain energy-rich ingredients. These optimize physical and mental performance. Protein shakes prevent muscle injuries and cramps during and after exercise. They strengthen your immune system. As a result, they reduce your risk of infections. In addition, they allow you to follow a healthier diet to manage weight gain. They have a filling effect that helps you not overeat. Delicious protein shakes to include in your diet. Many foods that contain proteins, such as vegetables, seeds and nuts, can be useful for preparing protein shakes. Not to mention, you can drink any of these recipes before or after workouts. 1. Coconut milk and mint shake. In addition to providing a significant contribution of protein, this delicious beverage contains fatty acids, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Therefore, it's ideal for improving physical performance and strengthening muscles. Ingredients: ½ cup of coconut milk, 125 milliliters. ½ cup of water, 125 milliliters. 6 spinach leaves. 1 tablespoon of mint leaves, 15 grams. 3 tablespoons of vanilla-flavored protein powder, 45 grams. Ice cubes, to taste. Preparation. First, pour all the ingredients in the blender. Then, blend until you get a smooth drink. To finish, serve it without straining and drink it as soon as possible. 2. Avocado, blueberry and almond milkshake. This option is one of the most complete and delicious protein shakes. In fact, it contains high-quality proteins, antioxidant compounds and healthy fatty acids. In addition, it provides dietary fiber and is good for anxiety and poor digestion. Ingredients: half of a ripe avocado, ½ cup of cranberries, 100 grams, 1 cup of almond milk, 250 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Preparation. First, remove the flesh of half a ripe avocado. Then, mix it in the blender with the blueberries, the almond milk and the chia seeds. Finally, make sure everything is mixed well, and serve it instantly. 3. Soy, banana and peanut butter smoothie. In fact, to get an extra dose of vegetable protein you can make this shake with soy. Also, this shake's ingredients are light in calories and provide the body with carbohydrates, healthy fat and antioxidants. Ingredients: Half cup of soft tofu, 100 grams. 1 cup of soy milk, 250 milliliters. 1 frozen banana. Half tablespoon of peanut butter, 5 grams. Preparation. First, put all the ingredients in the blender. Then, blend for a few minutes. Finally, after everything is mixed well, serve it instantly. 4. Yogurt and fruit smoothie. This recipe with yogurt and fruit is a good option that allows you to recharge your body with energy by drinking protein shakes. Because of its ingredients, it's best to drink it before workouts or during breakfast. Ingredients: half cup of skim milk, 125 milliliters. Half cup of strawberries, 100 grams. 1 cup of natural yogurt, 250 milliliters. Half cup of orange juice, 125 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of whey protein powder. 1 tablespoon of honey. Preparation. First, blend all the ingredients at maximum speed until they're completely combined and not lumpy. Then, serve it and add ice to your taste. 5. Oatmeal and banana smoothie. Rich in fiber, protein and antioxidant compounds, this protein shake is a favorite. Also, its ingredients are delicious, so you will want to drink it. We recommend you drink it before training or when you feel fatigued. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of oatmeal, 60 grams. 1 ripe banana. Half cup of skim milk, 125 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of protein powder, 15 grams. 1 tablespoon of honey, 15 grams. Preparation. First, put the oatmeal in the blender. Then, blend it with a chopped banana and skim milk. Next, once it's smooth, add the protein powder and honey. Finally, blend it again and serve immediately. Do you want to make these drinks to complement your diet? As you can see, they're easy to make and have many benefits. Choose the one you find most interesting and enjoy. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thanks for watching.